Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the DJN Chronicles. We're going to be going over the Phantom wallet and adding it to your Google extension. This video is purely going to be on that, whether you have a Mac or PC. Obviously, you want to make sure the link is going to be literally Phantom. There's a lot of scammers out there. Make sure you guys verify it's the right one. So with this, website's super clean, really simple, and one thing I want to mention about this video, these steps are going to be almost exactly the same whether you're on mobile or you're on desktop, PC, doesn't matter. This is going to be very similar for both the phone and your actual PC. I just want to make that super clear for anyone jumping in trying to learn this. Right at the top here, you're going to see download for Chrome. We're going to go ahead and click that, hit add to Chrome. You're going to get a pop-up, add extension. And then over here, once Phantom pops up, you're going to have two options. If you already have a mobile device, the seed phrase that you saved, you can type that in here. I already have a wallet. Or you guys can go to create a new wallet, which is what we're going to do for this example. So you can continue with email, but honestly, guys, this is crypto. You want to have your own funds. You want to securely hold them. So I would always recommend that you guys have your own seed phrase. Obviously, you're responsible for the phrase that pops up. You got to save that, hide it, make sure no one gets access to it, because if they do, they can get access to your crypto wallet. And if you have funds on there, they can transfer that over to theirs and take your money. So with this, I would recommend going ahead and creating a seed phrase and not using your email. I'm sure both work just fine. You're going to have to create a password for this. So once your passwords are the same, you can make it whatever you want. Obviously, this is an example video, but you're going to have to agree to the terms and service before we move forward. As you can see here, you can't click it. So make sure you click agree to terms. And then this is where you have your secret recovery phrase. As it says, this phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. You can't hit them up. They don't have access to this. This is solely your secret recovery phrase. You need to write this down. You need to save it, hide it. Once you take the time and save your secret recovery phrase, you're going to have to say, hey, I saved it, hit continue, and then you're all done. So you're going to want to hit get started. And this saved up right over here. So in your Google Chrome window, you're going to have this little puzzle where you may have other extensions depending on what you use. This is a new page that I'm launching and building. So this is going to be a brand new wallet that I will be using. So you go to Phantom, got to type in your password, and there we go. Once you type your password in, it's going to put you to your first account. So this is your first wallet that you have. As you can see here, you have Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, and Bitcoin. And this is your account one. On the bottom here, you have your options. So this is going to be your home button. This is where you'll have your digital collectibles. This is where you're able to do some swaps. You could swap a lot of different cryptocurrencies here, whether it's Solana to USDC. That's the first example it shows, but there's a lot of swaps that you can do. And then after you have your swap section right here, this is going to be your recent activity. So once you actually start depositing funds, trading, buying tokens, you name it, all of your activity is going to be listed right in here. You're going to be able to see the first transaction you ever pursued with this wallet specifically and the addresses that are over here. You're going to be able to see all the recent activity, and then you'll be able to see the most recent as well. So it's the whole history. And then over here, this is where you're going to be able to find Dapps, which are decentralized applications. You're going to be able to log in, find other projects. You could use this as pretty much a browser in a way, which is really cool. And we'll go over a lot of these, but this is a great way when you go to buy meme coins, going for exchanges, or look for certain NFTs. This is a great way to go in and do it. Just make sure you don't connect your wallet to everything, because if you do that, some of these people will steal your stuff. So make sure it's a trusted, verified source. Always make sure you're looking at the links, and I always compare it to their legitimate social media. Phantom app over here. Another great feature that the Phantom wallet has. So this wallet's been around for almost 4 or 5 years now, probably a little bit longer, but that's how long I've been using it for. And the upgrades over the last 4 to 5 years have just been like amazing. I actually give them a lot of credit on this. It's pretty amazing to see them really step up, make this thing multi-chain, and just really get after it. But a great tool that you have with this, so this, as you see right here, it's account one. Let's say you want to make a new account where you're like, hey, this is going to be specifically for meme coins. You're able to create a new account right here. So this is going to be another wallet. And then you hit create, boom. So if you look right here, all of these addresses are actually different. So you have your Solana address right here compared to your first account. So if you see there, AKP2, let's go to the meme coin account, click over to it. FSFX. So this is a great feature of being able to swap back and forth between your accounts. Let's say account 1, you want to make your savings, account 2, your meme coins, and just have fun with that. Or you can make it like your DGen wallet or your moon bag, doesn't really matter. It's whatever you feel. And one of the last things that I wanted to show you was how you can purchase some of these tokens. So if you actually go in to buy some of this is going to be an example. You could buy Solana, Ethereum on Base, Polygon, Bitcoin. There's a whole bunch of stuff, but let's say you want to just buy Ethereum for video's sake. So it's on the meme coin account right here. So it's the second account, the last one that we just made. Let's say I want to do $100. You're able to purchase this through multiple providers. Like you can go through Robinhood, Stripe, MoonPay. It's pretty amazing that they integrated this service, especially, Robinhood is a public company, super legit, so Stripe, MoonPay. All these are great, and you're able to type in and put in your debit card or credit card. That's why keeping that seed phrase is super important, making sure no one gets access to your wallet. Pretty amazing stuff that the Phantom wallet for Solana, they built this out. They did an outstanding job. This is hands down one of my favorite wallets to use. I'm going to make some videos on other crypto wallets that I use. They're decentralized, a lot of DeFi stuff. I love the DeFi aspect of the industry. Huge reason of why I joined. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is the Phantom wallet, the latest, best video out there. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out on Twitter, Telegram, doesn't matter what it is. Happily will answer and we can chat it up on there. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you have a fantastic day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you on the next one.